solve some products by using identity number 3. If we have to find out the product of 3x plus 5y and 3x minus 5y. In first binomial, these first term of both binomials same 3x 3x 5y 5y, but there is one difference. In first binomial here is plus sign, and in second binomial here is minus sign. So we will use third identity. You have to write down used identity. A plus B, A minus B is equal to A whole square minus B whole square. Here it is left hand side, 3x plus 5y, 3x minus 5y. It is left hand side. So we have to write down first of all left hand side 3x plus 5y multiply with 3x minus 5y is equal to 3x whole square minus 5y whole square. Now we will solve. It means 3 raised to power 2 x raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 2 y raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, it is 9. 9x raised to power 2 minus 25y raised to power 2. It is the answer. X raised to power 2 minus 25y raised to power 2. Second example, if we have to find out the product of 4p square plus q square 4p square minus q square. In first binomial and in second binomial, first term same, second term is also same. Difference here plus sign and it is minus sign. So we'll use this identity. It is left hand side. So first of all we will write 4p square plus q square 4p square minus q square. What is the first term? 4p square. So we will write whole square of first. What is the first? 4p square. And we will write whole square minus. What is the second? Q square. And we will write here whole square of second. Now we will be solve. 4 4s are 16. And these powers will be multiplied. P raised to power 4 and minus q raised to power 4. It is answer. 16 p raised to power 4 minus q raised to power 4. I hope these two examples will be clear to you. Third example, if we will have to find out the product of x by 3 minus y by 2 and x by 3 plus y by 2. In first binomial, here is minus sign and it is second binomial, it is plus sign. So no difference between these two and these two. You can write this binomial first number and this binomial second number. you can write x by 3 plus y by 2, x by 3 minus y by 2 is equal to, what is the first? X by 3. So whole square of x by 3 minus whole square of second. What is the second? Y by 2 whole square. First of all, you have to write down the left hand side, then right hand side by using this identity. X raised to power 2, 3 3s are 9, minus y raised to power 2 by 4. It is the answer. X square by 9 minus y square by 4. So first of all, write down the left hand side, then right hand side. Any side is no identity. Identity means a statement of equality. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here we write down here statement by using this identity. First of all, write down the left hand side, then right hand side. You have to write down the whole square, not square of. You have to write down the whole square of first number minus whole square of the second. And in this identity, you have to observe these A should be the same and B should be the same. If you evaluate whole square minus 12 whole square, then we will use same identity. Used identity. A whole square minus B whole square is equal to A plus B and A minus B. Now right hand side given. If right hand side given, you can write left hand side. If left hand side given, you can write right hand side. Now right hand side given, so we can write, it is the statement. Now we will use the identity. First of all, we write right hand side is equal to, what is the first? 58. So we will write left hand side 58 plus 12, 58 minus 12. Now we will solve. 58 plus 12, 8 plus 2 is 10. 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7. Multiply with 8 minus 2 is 6 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we will multiply 1 0. We will multiply 46 with 7. 7 6 are 42. 4. 7 4s are 28 and 4 32. It is the answer. 3240. If right hand side given, you can write left hand side. If left hand side given, you can write right hand side. Now right hand side is given, then you will write left hand side and you will solve the brackets and then you will multiply. Second example, if you have find out the value of (367) whole square minus 33 whole square. Same, right hand side is given. So you will write, first of all, right hand side is equal to A plus B. What is A? 367 plus 33. And in second bracket, 367 minus 33. Now you will solve. 6 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 3 9 and 1 10. It is 400. Multiply with 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3 and it is also 3. Then we will multiply 2 zeros. We will multiply 334 with 4. 4 4s are 16. 1. 4 3s are 12 and 1. 13. 1 and 4 3s are 12 and 1. 13. It is the answer. You can put comma between periods. It means 1,33,600. Next example. If you have find the value of 211 multiply with 189 by using identity. So we can write 211 is 200 plus 11 and 189 is 200 minus 11. Then we will find out the product of these two. 200 plus 11 and 200 minus 11. Now which side is given? Left hand side is given. If left hand side is given, you can write right hand side. So first of all we will write left hand side is equal to a whole square. What is a? 200 whole square minus 11 whole square. 200 whole square. 200 multiply by 200. 4 zeros. 2 2s are 4 minus 121. Now we will subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9. It is now 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. It is also 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. It is also 9 and it is 3. Answer is 39,871. So you can use identity number 3. Evaluate, find the value of, first of all you will make these two binomials the same. Here will be plus sign and here will be minus sign. Then you can use the third identity. Thank you.